Turn the dryer on. I want to see if this thing opens up. Oh yeah, it still opens. A lot of dust kicking out. Okay, you guys, so my wife just turned on the dryer and it opens up, but it seemed like it was opening a little slow. The light that I'm using is the rechargeable light.
Clean up our dryer. So the first thing I'm noticing while we're doing this is our dryer is very dusty.
Gonna put that in there.
Hold it up like this.
You gonna hold it?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, but a whole bunch of dust gonna get in your face.
Turn your head, Momo.
You hold it while I go in. When I come back out. All right, you can let go. I'm coming back out. Watch yourself. Woo! Look at that.
A lot of dust under here.
When I go back in, I'm gonna hook another cord up.
Woo! That's a lot of dust.
Where's that fly swatter?
I got it.
Oh, okay.
I could put it back in for you.
You can? Okay.
Oh, so you're gonna put another one on?
Yep. Righty tighty, lefty loosey.
Yep. And it's on.
We have the part that goes onto the drill. Okay, you guys, so in case you want to know if this works with an impact driver, no, because right here, you see how it has this little lip right here? That's so it will get locked into the impact driver. But on here, there is no lock. So once you put it in your impact driver, it will come straight off. Now, what you need to get is your regular drill driver. Make sure the battery is charged so you don't have to go all the way back to do whatever you have to do. And we're gonna screw it on here first. We're just gonna clean a little bit out and then we'll screw a little bit more on.
Yep.
All right, you guys, so this is the setup. One is holding the sticks, one's putting it on. I'm drilling in. We got our rechargeable light, and I have the camera looking at us taking it in and out.
You need me to hold it up?
Yep.
Okay. I do have a little bit of dust on my hand.
You okay?
Yep. Wow, there's a lot of dust on that.
It is.
We're calling you on FaceTime. Okay.
Okay. We're about to go back in. Your job is to let us know if you see it come out from the other side. Do you see it yet? Or one more for right now, one at a time. Well, I'll do it.
No, I got it.
Oh, okay. What happened? Okay.
Oh my goodness. Look how far that is. Now, how do you feel, Dad?
Exhausted. All right.
Farted.
I'm gonna do this one more time and we should be good. Or two more times.
Great. How are you feeling, Dad?
Tired. Okay, you guys, so I'm done the first round of this duct cleaning. Right now, one of my kids is going to turn the dryer on, and we're going to see how much comes out and how good this thing opens up now. The first time we turned it on, it opened slow.
Yeah, let us know when you want us to stop.
All right, go ahead.
Go ahead.
Whoa, yeah, that came out a lot. Oh, dang. Woo! Dang. Wow.
Now it's coming out, huh?
Whoa. Now, you guys, as you can see, that dryer is coming out. All right, turn it back off.
Turn it off.
Wow, you guys, look at that. Look at that. A whole lot of lint. All right, we turned it off. So you guys, y'all see firsthand that this product, it takes a lot of work, you guys. It takes a lot of work. This is not no a 1 hour job. I've been out here for almost a little over an hour just setting up and getting this all together. Okay, and the plate went back down, but I'm gonna put some WD-40 on that spring on it, so that way it could go up and down very easy. All right, you guys, so I put this camera through war. So to get this off, you will need 2 pliers, right? And twist left. And that's the only way you will get this off, because remember, we're doing righty-tighty, lefty-loosey. And the whole time you cleaning this thing, you are going right. Another thing I want to note is that, man, I am still getting dust coming out of here a whole lot. So salute to the people that clean dryers, because this is not no 30-minute job. This is actual a good half a day, right? Keep it on your drill, and you can hold right here. All right, you hold the opposite side and then put it on loosen, and then it will loosen off like that. That's how you get that part off.